Okay, so I'm about to show you invisible cane row. Section the hair in three parts, three even parts. And I fold the hair like I'm about to cane row it. As you can see, it don't overlap as yet. Now I'm going to take this piece. You don't stop add until you decide that's the even size that you want. How you know how much hair to add on this side, like look at this, right? You can add the same amount of hair to this size. If you add over the amount of this size, then you're gonna get a bulge, so it can be either less or the same amount. To get it close, you cannot part bigger than this. You have to part smaller and use the braid to fill it. Now, as I said, this mannequin head, it's some part of the hair, like even here, just the way how the mannequin hair is. It's not healthy enough to give me a clear part, but I hope you get to see the technique of how I put in the braid. And if you don't, you can just come onto the school and register, and we'll show you in person. This is why we don't just teach on mannequin head. You have to do it on somebody's hair. That way you get it properly before you leave the school. So I have one here, there, one here, and one here. So these are my 3 strands. Then I take this one and I put it here, and I put this one here. I then twist my hand, get the piece that no hair is on, and now I'm gonna put hair on it, and I will just do this, then piece here, Because there's sometimes when person is going to come to you and they have no hair. The hair is short and you're going to have to catch everything. I don't have enough hair to twist. And this time you add until you get the same amount. I can't even add any pressure at all to the mannequin head because it's on a tripod stand, so it's moving. So I'm gonna add my final piece of hair because I think I get the same size, and then I stop add.